Hello and welcome to a new episode of Englicast. Have you ever wondered why some people successfully achieve their goals while others struggle with procrastination and setbacks? The key isn't just talent or intelligence, it's daily routines. These seemingly small habits are the foundation of long-term success, helping you move forward with consistency and determination. In this episode, we won't just give you conventional advice. Instead, we'll take you on an inspiring journey through real life stories and practical insights that will completely shift your perspective on daily commitment. What is a daily routine and why does it matter? A daily routine is the discipline of engaging in a specific activity every single day, regardless of circumstances. Whether you want to master a new language, develop a healthy lifestyle, or advance your career, consistency is the ultimate game changer. But why do so many people fail to maintain it? When I first started my journey, I believed that success was fueled by constant motivation. However, I soon realized that I was trapped in the illusion of instant achievement, expecting significant results in a short period without committing to sustained effort. Instant achievement refers to the false belief that success happens quickly and effortlessly. Have you ever felt frustrated because you didn't see immediate progress? Try writing a sentence using instant achievement. Over time, I discovered that my biggest obstacle wasn't external circumstances or a lack of time. It was chronic hesitation. Chronic hesitation describes the tendency to delay decisions repeatedly due to fear of failure or feeling unprepared. Have you ever found yourself overthinking and postponing tasks? How did you overcome it? Try writing a sentence using chronic hesitation. Why do we lose positive habits so easily? Whenever I abandoned a productive habit, I felt as if all my previous progress had vanished. It was as though I had achieved nothing at all. That's when I realized that consistency isn't optional, it's essential. Vanished means something has gradually disappeared or ceased to exist. Have you ever stopped practicing a good habit and felt like you had to start over from scratch? Try writing a sentence using vanished. Adaptability is a crucial skill for long-term success. One of the most valuable lessons I've learned is that success isn't solely about hard work. It's also about strategic adaptability. Not every day will go as planned, but if you learn to adjust and pivot, you'll never truly be stuck. Strategic adaptability refers to the ability to modify your approach effectively in response to challenges. Have you ever had to change your plan suddenly? How did you handle it? Try writing a sentence using strategic adaptability. The real secret to success: patience and perseverance. Success doesn't happen overnight. It requires relentless perseverance, the ability to push forward despite difficulties and setbacks. Perseverance is the determination to keep striving for a goal, even in the face of obstacles. Can you recall a time when you faced a major challenge but decided to keep going? Try writing a sentence using perseverance. A daily routine is more than just a habit. It's the ultimate key to achieving your most ambitious goals. Success isn't a matter of luck. It's the result of small, consistent actions over time. Your challenge? Pick a small habit you want to develop and practice it daily for at least 7 days. Incorporate the new words you've learned today into your daily conversations. Share your thoughts in the comments. What habit do you want to commit to? What's the biggest challenge you face in staying consistent? If you enjoyed this episode, Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. See you in the next episode of Englicast.